Hi, we're the Wiggles. I am Greg.
I am Murray.
I am Anthony.
And I am Jeff. Today this is the classroom book shelter earthquake. When you hear a fire drill or an earthquake, you hide under the furnitures.
Oh no, the earthquake and fire drill, hide. Class, the fire drill and the earthquake is gone now, and you can go home.
Yay, I can't wait to play my guitar.
Yay, I can't wait to eat apples.
Yay, I can't wait to do magic and singing.
Yay, I can't wait to fall asleep. That's how you go under the furniture. Thanks for adding some books, and now the book is put in away, and bye for now 3.